Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the GK class. I hope you all are doing well. Dear students, as you know that we have finished all the chapters of our GK book, and we are revising the things related to general knowledge. And in our previous class, we have discussed about some very important questions, some factual things, and some general knowledge things. So dear students, in that series today we are going to discuss some very important abbreviations, and you must know about the abbreviations. So dear students, let's start. And so as you know, dear students, we are revising the all the facts and all the important questions which is related to general knowledge in any way. So this includes the general science and current affairs and all the questions and all the recent activities. Okay. So in that series, dear students, today we are going to discuss and write the abbreviations. So CCTV, CCTV, closed circuit television, closed circuit television, closed circuit television. And next one is GIF, GIF, graphic interchange format. Graphic interchange format. Okay, the next one is GIF, graphic interchange format. Third one, KYC. This term is related to your banking. Okay, in banking sector, KYC is mostly used. KYC means know your customer. Know your customer. Know your customer. Now, the very important PAN. Okay, PAN, permanent account number, permanent account number. Okay, this is also used as your ID card. Okay, so PAN means permanent account number. Now you all have heard about this PIN. You all have heard earlier also about the PIN, and the full form of PIN is personal Personal identification. Personal identification. Personal identification number. Personal identification number. Okay. Now the next one, LED. Okay. This is a very common. We usually heard about this. LED. LED. So LED means light emitting diode. Okay. Light emitting light emitting diode. So dear students, this is very common, LED. We usually heard about this. LED means light emitting diode. So the next one is USB. I think I have also asked this question in your unit test or any other exams. So this is a very important USB. USB. Universal serial bus. Universal serial bus. Okay. So what we have discussed till now, we have discussed CCTV means closed circuit television. Now the next one, GIF means graphic interchange format, and after that this is KYC, and I have told you that KYC is mostly used in your banking sector. The KYC word is mostly used in your banking sector, and the full form of KYC is know your customer. Okay. And the next one is the PAN card. You have also heard about the PAN card is also used as your ID proof at some places. So PAN card means permanent account number. After that, the PIN number. PIN, this is also very common word. So personal identification number. After that, LED. You have also heard about the LED light and all that. The full form of LED is light emitting diode. Okay. And after that, the USB related to computer. So the full form of USB is universal serial bus. So moving on to the next. LCD. So LCD is liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display. So let's erase this one. You can just pause the video and write it. Now moving on to the next. We have to erase this one, and after that we will write some more abbreviations. So CFL, this is also very common one. CFL. Compact process length. Compact percent length. Okay. So moving on to the next, NCR. NCR. This is very important. Dear students, you have heard about the Delhi NCR, and you heard about this, that sometimes we call that Delhi NCR. So what is the full form of NCR? So NCR stands for National Capital Region. NCR stands for NCR. NCR stands for National Capital Region. National Capital Region. Okay. Now the next one, very common. You heard about this DP. Okay, this is very common, and you can say the most common thing nowadays. You can say, as you know that we all use the WhatsApp and Facebook. So we used to say that I have changed my DP and your DP is good. Okay, you usually say that I have changed my DP and your DP is good and all that. So the word that DP we used to call that I have changed my DP and what which DP is the best. So the DP stands for the display picture, and we, as you know that today in nowadays the education is also going through the with the help of mobile. So mobile is very common in today's world. So DP, the word DP stands for display picture. Display display picture. Okay. So IAS, the next one. IAS. So you have heard about the IAS and district magistrate and all that. So IAS is a very high post, as you know that we all wish to become an IAS in our life. So the full form of IAS is Indian Administrative. This is very powerful post, we all know. Okay, IAS has a many powers. So Indian Administrative Administrative Service. Okay. So this is the full form of IAS, and I think that many of you hope to become an IAS in their life. So you must know about the full form of that IAS, and this is a very powerful post. So IAS is Indian Administrative Service. So the next one is PCS. PCS. Provincial Service. Provincial Service. Provincial Civil Service. Civil service. Okay. So these two are very important. Many of you have the dream to become an IS and PCS. Okay. So you must know and you should know about the full form of that post. Okay. Because many of you have dream to become an IS or PCS. So the full form of IS is the Indian Administrative Service, and the PCS stands for Provincial Civil Service. Okay. So moving on to the next, DVD. DVD. So digital versatile disk. So this is very common. You all know about and you all have heard about the DVD. This is played in the DVD player. Okay. So DVD, the full form of DVD is a very important application. Digital versatile disk. Okay. So moving on to the next one. GIF. GIF stands for graphic interchange format. Okay. And JPEG we have written that, CCTV we have USB, IS, CV. Yes, this is very important. CV. So let me introduce something about the CV. If you have to for any job you have to submit your CV, and CV is consist of all the educational qualification and personal details and all that. CV if you have to do a job at any place, then you must need a CV for that, and CV is consist of all the details and all the educational qualifications, okay, that is written in your CV. So the full form of CV is curriculum vitae. Okay, CV means curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae. Okay, dear students, so these are very important applications and you should know about that. So what we have discussed: CFL, compact fluorescent lamp, NCR, National Capital Region. We usually heard about the Delhi NCR. So the NCR stands for National Capital Region, and after that DP. And I have also just discussed you about the DP. We all use the WhatsApp and Facebook sometimes. So we usually say that your DP is good and I should change my DP. So that DP stands for the display picture, and IAS, Indian Administrative Service. Okay, and after that PCS, Provincial Civil Service DVD, Digital Versatile Disk, GIF, Graphic Interchange Format, and series stands for Curriculum Vitae. So, dear students, we have discussed this one in a very detailed way, and you just revise all this and learn that one because these are the very important. So, dear students, in the series of revision, we have finished the abbreviations, and in our next lecture, we will discuss some more important questions and some more important general things and things related to general science or general knowledge. That's all for today. Have a nice day.